You want to put you over there to the right? You get in front. I see him. Right. Oh, yeah, he's too fast. Get over here. He's trotting. I'm thinking army crawl up to this little ridge and they won't see us, okay?
Okay, you fly back.
Yeah, drop your backpack and throw it in the bushes. Okay, one of them is all the way on that side. One might still be close. We're gonna get to this bird and I'm gonna start calling. I'm gonna crawl over here. I'm gonna take a look if there's no bird far. I'm gonna start calling. That way as they come in, you can shoot them anywhere, okay?
You want me to wait here?
Yeah, but wait. I only see one on the other side. The other one might be right here. But the other one's feeding, so I'm gonna do a few yelps and see if he comes over. They're both over there. He heard me, he's strutting now. There's one coming this way, like running towards us. Do you want to try crawling to that bird?
I might be able to because then I might have a shot at them next
Yeah.
week.
So if you get over there and if you make sure you cannot see them as you're crawling, okay? And if I start saying your name, stop right away. He got it.
Let's freaking go.
Look at this.
see one on this side.
There's one right here on this edge.
I'm shaking,
That's freaking cool. Let's go. Oh my god. Let me see. Turn around. Is it on? I think it was recording, right?
I think so. I don't know. Bro, I couldn't tell if he could see me because he was feeding.
Uh-huh.
And then he came up and he started like, he just like was looking at me, like dead at me. He was like, oh crap, because it was like as I brought my gun up, he was looking at me like, no.
Yeah, I saw you aim for a while.
Yeah, because there was a bunch of debris in my way, but I was right here and I was just tracking him. And eventually I just leaned to the side and I tracked him for so long. My heart was beating so much.
I thought you missed because I didn't see him drop.
I closed one eye and I was like, yeah, that's a beard. Yeah,
Oh wait, don't you're gonna hit his body.
Yeah, you just let me know.
Just hold up a second. He's done, bro. He's done. He'll mess you up if you try to guide him right now.
Yeah.
There you go.
Let's freaking go, man.
Let's
Let's
dude.
go.
No decoy, we called them in.
Yeah.
And I don't know how to call, and I'm just like, blah, 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 blah. Look at the size of this guy, dude.
He's so fat.
Wow. Listen. He's done, dude. Wow, dude, look at the size of these wings.
Oh my god.
Shot was about right from right there. Dropped him right here. Called him in all the way from back over there, that field. No decoy. First time calling. I do not know how to call. That probably sounded horrible, but it worked. I actually was able to call this turkey and whew, I'm stoked. Wow. I'm so happy. Yeah, that looks beautiful. That looks great, dude.
Dang.
Pretty big spurs. Look at these guys. Look at the size of this beard.
Bro flapped around so much he lost one feather.
Yeah, look at that. This is what the shot was.
Oh dang. When was the first shot? Yeah,
That guy. Pick him up. Let's see how heavy you think he is.
How heavy?
Yeah.
Say nice 25 maybe.
Wow. 25. Holy moly. Let me see him.
I'd say like 20, 25.
Yo. Heavy birds. Here you go, dude. You're gonna carry this guy back. We packing out heavy. Let's freaking go. Packing out heavy. This is beautiful. I'm just gonna grab my gun so we go light. We'll quickly crawl over there and look, okay?
Yeah.
It's right in front of me. It was 10 yards away from me, but it was a hen. It's a hen. It was walking along these bushes, and it came right in, and it was right here, 10 yards away. I had a bead on it. I could have nailed it. I'm like, I couldn't tell if it was a hen, but I saw its fuzzy head. It couldn't see us.
That's crazy.
It couldn't see us because we're in the bushes.
Yeah.
We're perfectly camouflaged. That's insane.